Hello everyone, welcome back to another round of Kami Wits Grand Tournament. This is the second edition and the third quarter final. Till now, Devarshi, Aditya, Surbhi and Apurv have made their spots, have fixed their spots in the semi-finals, and today will be joining them in the semis. Now, for today, we have Anand, Joshita, Srinath and Saida. We shall begin with the round with obviously with the rules first. So the quizmaster is always right. Participants shall not be allowed to use a virtual background that has the answer to the question. Very glad that Srinath has finally taken down that happy birthday thing, and really glad that Anand used that particular background, which has given him already 3 fun points. 10 marks will be given on the main score range for every correct answer, and 5 will be awarded after the second attempt once I give you a hint. These questions will be passed in a cyclic manner, which means that it will be going from Anand to Joshita to Srinath to Saida, and then reversed after the first half of 10 questions as Saida, Srinath, Jo and Anand. Your humor-based answers will be encouraged, and your wild guesses can turn out to be right answers, so don't hesitate. Finally, जीतने पर इनाम और ना जीतने पर आश्वासन is something that we will be giving out to everyone. So, all the best to all the participants. We start today's round with the first direct for Anand. Okay, this is a little verbose but quite workable. The film begins with a schoolboy Mukul Dhar who is said to be able to remember events from his previous life and soon receives media attention. Dr. Hemang Hajra, a parapsychologist, offers his help believing it might help him in his own research. Mughal always remains somber and paints peacocks, forts and scenes of battle at midnight. He mentions that he lived in a fortress and that their house had many gems. Dr. Hajra decides to take Mukul on a trip to Rajasthan, famous for forts, historical importance and desert landscape. Two seasoned fraudsters, Amiyanath and Mandar, plan to kidnap Mukul to capture the treasure. Their first attempt at the kidnapping fails when they pick up another boy, also named Mukul, from the same neighborhood. Alarmed by this, Mukul's father engages Feluda, a private investigator, to protect his son. This father that we are talking about is the father of the first Mukul, the one who sees things. Feluda leaves for Rajasthan along with Topshe or Tapesh, following Dr. Hajra. What movie does the plot belong to?
It's like Om Shanti Om, but made by Ray or someone more capable than Farah Khan. It's not to say she's not capable. I love that movie, but I have not read or seen enough Felida movies. Yeah, I think I'll pass on this. Yeah.
Okay, going to Joshita.
I love Satyajit Ray. This is Golden Fortress. Golden Fortress.
Golden Fortress or Sonar Killa. So, Joshita opens her account with 10 points for Sonar Killa. Brilliant crack. Also, 1 fun point to Anand for Om Shanti Om reference. Bringing the next direct to Srinath. Blank is a traditional Christian group spread across North America and Europe, known primarily for promoting self-sufficiency and shunning technological advancements as they keep the younger arms free for long. These communities still do major labor work and make exemptions only if they are mentioned in their rules, which the rules are known as the Odno. Fill in the blank with the group that I am talking about.
I don't know. I'm just taking a guess. Vikings?
Not Vikings. Going to Saida.
This is the Amish.
Brilliant crack. It is the Amish community, also known as the Pennsylvania Dutch or the Pennsylvania Germans. So that brings Dwight Schrute into the picture.
Give yourself some fun points for this.
Yeah. I have given them when I've created the quiz. So brilliant answer, bringing the next direct again to Anand. Now Polydectes held Perseus to a rash promise and demanded the head of the only mortal Gorgon, Medusa, whose gaze turned people into stone. Perseus was able to do so because of the fact that he was a demigod with a mortal mother, Danae, and X as the father, a Greek god. Who is X? The father.
काश देख लिया होता पर्सी जैक्सन, पढ़ा तो बिल्कुल नहीं, देख तो लिया होता कम से कम कुछ मदद. I just named the guy who could have been a father of a lot of things / people in Greek mythology. This is Zeus.
Brilliant answer. It is Zeus. Zeus gets Anand his first 10 points. So brilliant answer, and brings the next direct again to Joe. Since its inception in 1973, the Kal Nirnay group has emerged as the #1 and most authentic blank maker, providing up-to-date information about India's traditional festivities, auspicious events and culture. According to the Audit Bureau of Circulation of India, Kal Nirnay is the world's largest selling publication with a circulation of around 1,81,87,168 copies. Tell me, what do they make? What is the published material that they are known for by filling the blank?
Calendars, or is it supposed to be more specific?
I would give it to you. I mean, it's either almanacs or calendars. So calendars bring another 10 points for Joshita. Bring the next direct, however, to Srinath. Now, X is thought to have originated from Czechoslovakia or Germany, but first appeared in print in the Cooking for Kids cookbook, published by US food firm Betty Crocker in 1957. A Christmas novelty, it is known as Wesley dogs in the US, Wursten im Schlafrock in German, where they are wrapped in a pancake, Moshe Bataiva, Moses in the Ark in Israel, and kilted sausages in Scotland. And in Mexico, they are wrapped in tortilla and deep fried. Now I want you to tell me what is X with the original name that was mentioned in the Betty Crocker cookbook.
Was it turkey stuffings?
Not turkey stuffings. Going to Sayeda.
I'm just taking a guess. Is it pigs in a blanket?
It is pigs in a blanket. Brilliant answer. Pigs in a blanket, or the same name with different languages. Pigs in a blanket gets 10 more points to into Sayada's account. Now the next direct will again go to Anand. After King Frederick Augustus III was abdicated on 13th November 1918, blank, remaining a constituent state of Germany or Weimar Republic back then, became the free state of blank under a new constitution enacted on 1st November 1920. The region has had enormous influence on the modern English vocabulary, as a huge part of it is derived from the vernacular of that particular region. So identify or tell me what is this region or what is this state that we are talking about.
Trying very hard not to make any Nazi jokes right now. Very, very hard. Is this Alsace Lorraine? I'll go with that.
Sorry?
Is this Alsace Lorraine?
No,
I don't know.
not the right answer. Going to Joshita.
Oh, I don't want to say anything dumb, so I'm going to pass.
Going to Srinath.
Srinath, you're on
I
mute.
don't know. Yeah. Is it Switzerland?
Not Switzerland. Going to Saida.
Can you tell me the when you say the vernacular of the region? I know others have answered, but what is the name of the vernacular? Does it have a name?
No. The name is related to the answer only.
I don't know.
Okay, we'll go another round. This particular region that we're talking about, as I said, it's something that has contributed a lot in English vocabulary. For example, how we say some words are Anglo-Latin. Same way, there are certain words which have a very strong Anglo-blank connection. One of them is the word werewolf. We'll go another round with
My turn.
Anand.
Yeah. Is this Anglo-Saxon? Is this Saxon?
I'll give it to you. It is Saxony. Saxony gets Anand 5 more points. Brilliant crack. Bring the next direct to Joshita. Now, something was started by 7 Gujarati women from Jabalpur, Madhya Pradesh. The women lived in Lohana Nivas, a group of 5 buildings in Girgaon. They wanted to start a venture to create a sustainable livelihood using the only skill that they have, which is cooking. Thus, an Indian women's worker cooperative involved in manufacturing of various fast-moving consumer goods was established. The organization's main objective was and still is empowerment of women by providing them employment opportunities. It started off only with a seed capital of 80 rupees and today is a $224 million company with over 45,000 employees. What was this particular cooperative that was started by the 7 women?
I want to say something to do with Achar Papad, but I don't know.
Guys, nobody's saying Tarak Mehta. It's Girgaon, it's
Yeah.
Gujarati. It's right there.
Yeah, exactly.
फीलिंग नहीं मेरे को आंसर सोचने नहीं हो रहा है.
Pass.
Okay, going to Srinath.
Is this Lijjat Papad?
Brilliant answer. It is Sri Mahila Griha Udyog Lijjat Papad. So Joshita was on the right track. If only she could have just named the brand. So Lijjat Papad opens Srinath's account as well, bringing the next direct to Saida. Now, I think this is the easiest question I can give. Identify the film franchise from the cast list. So there's Ralph Macchio, Pat Morita, Martin Coe, William Zabka, so on and so forth.
Is this the Karate Kid?
Brilliant answer. It is the original Karate Kid. So Sayeda gets 10 points for Karate Kid.
It's very easy. थोड़ा difficult कर देता. Like
This-
just
this-
put Akshay
this-
Kumar in there.
Oh yeah.
So, शादी तो हो सकता है.
You never know. Akshay Kumar was the stuntman in that silhouette. Bring the next direct to Anand. On January 11, 2013, Chinese electronics manufacturer TCL Corporation purchased the facility's naming rights, where the historic Hollywood Walk of Fame at 6925 Hollywood Boulevard in Hollywood, Los Angeles, California is located. Constructed in an exotic revival architecture style, this place has attracted tourists from all over the world and generates a lot of revenue by hosting several Hollywood events, including the Academy Awards thrice. What particular facility are we talking about?
This is the Dolby Theatre, if I'm not wrong.
Not the Dolby Theatre. Going to Joshita.
I know that the word like the TCL is there in the name, but I think is it TCL Theatre?
Obviously, it wouldn't have been. Otherwise, I wouldn't have made this question.
No, I feel like there is something like TCL
Yeah,
Theatre.
you're on the right track, so I will give you a chance to improvise.
TCL Chinese Theatre.
Brilliant answer. It is TCL Chinese Theatre. So it was used. It was first the Chinese Theatre, and then TCL got the naming rights. TCL Chinese Theatre gets another 10 points for Joshita. Bring the next direct to Srinath. Blank the Second was not dramatically different from its predecessor. There were no major technological developments, graphical improvements, or substantial gameplay changes. So we are talking about a game, the second part of the game. The game still consists of the player navigating large non-linear levels, each level infested with demons that can be killed with a variety of weapons that can be picked up throughout the game. Identify the 1995 game that was lately brought into the Android platform as well, and its name basically meant the end as per its theme.
Is it by any chance Dangerous Dave?
Good answer. I will give you fun points for that, but not Dangerous Dave. And thank you to remind me of that brilliance.
Okay.
Going to Seda.
Can't think of any.
Anand.
One guess, but that's not one that will make me sound incredibly dumb. Second, मेरे को पता नहीं 95 गेम है कि नहीं because this is Mario.
Not Mario. Going to Joshita.
I don't know.
Okay, we'll
There
go
was hurt
another.
in her voice there. She was hurt कि यार ये तो आना चाहिए था, ये नहीं आया ना, बहुत दिल को दुखाई है.
So again, I'll give you a hint, and we'll go another round with Srinath. Now, this game is something that was pre-installed in most of the computers. This is a very unofficial kind of a guess, but sorry, hint. And the second thing that I want to talk about is the last part. The names basically meant the end, and the first part was very basic, but the second part actually boomed a lot, and it got very popular globally. So I'll just keep that the end part as the hint here, and we'll go another round with Srinath.
Which it was pre-installed where on most computers.
Whoever used to install the OS, they used to just put this game along with 100 more Flash games.
Infested with demons is somehow throwing me off here.
नहीं थे हमारे फ्लैश गेम्स यार, वही था नॉर्मल सॉलिटेयर, माइनस्वीपर, सब बकवास एकदम.
Exactly.
कंपनी ने प्री-इंस्टॉल फ्लैश गेम्स ही, मेरे को दिमाग मत यूज कराओ, मुझे नहीं यूज करना है, इसलिए मैं गेम खेल रहा हूँ.
Okay, the only guess that I have is Wolfenstein 3D, but it does not fit here. But yeah, that's my guess.
Not Wolfenstein. Going to Saida.
I know this is not the right answer, but I don't know. Minecraft?
Looks like Minecraft, but not the right answer. Going to Anand.
That's interesting. Okay, I have an image of the game in my head. मैंने खेला होगा पर ध्यान कभी नहीं दिया. I'll just go, is this Zelda?
Not Zelda. Going to Rishita.
I don't know.
Okay, nobody gets this. The right answer is Doom 2.
Oh, Doom, of course.
Good question. Good question. 10 points to Aditya.
Thank you. With nobody getting Doom 2, technically the next question will go again to Srinath, but we've reached the first half, end of the first half, which means now the orders will be reversed, and we'll start off with Saida, then Srinath, then Joshita, and then Anand. The first question of the second half for Saida is: ancient Egyptian buildings used a wide variety of passive X techniques. These became widespread from the Iberian Peninsula through North Africa, the Middle East, and northern India. Similar techniques were developed in hot climates elsewhere as well over the passage of time. Passive techniques remained widespread until the 20th century, when they fell out of fashion because they were replaced by modern X. Using information from engineering studies and of traditional buildings, passive techniques are being revived and modified for the 21st century architectural designs, as it makes it a sustainable argument against the climate change. Identify X. What technique are we talking about? What technique, what system are we talking about?
Air conditioning of some sort?
Brilliant answer. It is air conditioning. Air conditioning, or AC, brings 10 points to Saida and brings the next direct to Srinath. While the hilt itself is made from several different parts, the main ingredient of X is the Kyber crystal. Power cells, energy gates, and modulation circuits are vital too, but they are nothing without the crystal to actually power up the energy beam. While the rare source is found in several different locations, the planet Ilum, which was mainly where young trainees would go to harvest their own crystal while making their own X. The crystals also may have powered legendary blank superweapons in ancient times. This is a fictional is a question from a fictional world. So identify X. What is this object that we are talking about?
Right. Because of the word hilt, I feel it's a sword here, but I have no idea about this. I'm just going to guess. Is it kryptonite?
Not kryptonite. Going to Joshita.
Thanks for saying sword, lightsaber.
Brilliant answer. Lightsaber is the right answer. Lightsaber gets another 10 points to Joe. Bring the next direct to Anand. Blank is a germinated cereal grain that has been dried in a process known as blank ing. The grain is made to germinate by soaking in water and then is halted from germinating further by drying with hot air. This process of getting the grains into this particular state develops the enzymes alpha amylase and beta amylase, which are required for modifying the grain starches into various types of sugar, including monosaccharide glucose, disaccharide blank OSC, which is again the blank, all the blanks are same, trisaccharide blank otriose, and higher sugars called as blank odextrins. The end product is considered to be a quintessential ingredient in a plethora of products, usually consumerables like edible products. Fill in the blank with what the word blank means.
I don't think I have a fair idea about this because I'm not a fucking nerd, right? I get late, I got called to parties, and people know me. This is the day I know this is. How fair. Give me a second, please. This is glucose.
Not glucose. Going to Saida. Again, I don't want the name of the sugar. I just want the main blank, the main word that is there.
I should know this. Oh, all the blanks are the same.
Yeah, because the first blank is now being used in different ways in the rest of the blanks.
None of my guesses fit all the blanks. Arey, I don't know. Starch?
Is that your final answer?
Don't give me that tone. I'm thinking of monosaccharide sugars. But they can't end with an ing. And something like a starch or something can't end in OSE, like O is name is. अरे यार बहुत केमिस्ट्री लगा नहीं पता.
Okay, going to Srinath.
I don't know. Just because of the higher sugars called dash, is it meth?
Good one, good one.
I would buy those products, Srinath. I would buy that cluster of those products for sure.
Okay.
Yeah, that
Not-
was my final guess.
Not meth. Going to Jushta.
I know 3 words that I don't know what they mean, but I'm just like seeing ki ing ke saath what feels proper. So I'm gonna say lactose. I don't really know what it is, but it sounds fine as like if you
Okay.
put it in all that.
Could you repeat that once?
Lactose. Okay, wait. Lactose.
Not lactose. Since this was whose director? I have even forgotten. This was Saida's direct.
No, it's mine. It's mine.
Okay, it was your direct. So we'll go again with another round. With a hint now. The hint is that when I say that it's used in a plethora of products, and I say that it's edible products, they are both alcoholic and non-alcoholic in nature, mostly beverages. So we'll go another round with Anand.
See, the hint didn't help me much, but just because when
I-
Saida said starch,
No, but you said that you have a life, you go out, things like that. So beverages should be on your list, right?
ये करूँ मैं अब शराब पी के मैं देखूँ भी कि क्या हो रहा है उस पे ये तो
लिखा होता है.
see.
You know this.
Everyone knows it now.
And then it was like you all were married for 5 seconds. He's like, don't give me that one. I'm like, कुछ हो रहा है इनके बीच में कलेश चल रहा है घर में कुछ गलत हो गया है इनकी शादी में. So I don't know. I just go with starch because you just made a face when she said starch.
Okay, not starch again, since you want to reiterate on that. Going to Saida.
Oh, it's my turn. अच्छा
Yeah.
हाँ good.
With that reaction, you
Malt.
should. Brilliant
Yeah.
answer.
Maltose,
malt or-
malting.
Malt or maltose. So malt gives another 10 points to Saida.
हाँ ये तो
Fine.
आना चाहिए ये थोड़ा बुरा लग रहा है. Yeah.
That's a
Malt
5
तो-
points. So
नहीं दे दो
even-
10. मैं मना नहीं कर रही. दे दो.
मैं बाद में काट लेता कहीं और से. तो Saida gets 5 for malt, and the next direct goes to Srinath. Swiss researchers at the University of Applied Sciences, Graubünden, in August 2021, created a new world record of blank. If they had been printed out, they would have filled every book in the British Library 10 times. The researchers' feat of arithmetic took 108 days and 9 hours to complete the 62 trillion record, and dwarfs the previous record of 50 trillion figures set in January 2020. The significance of blank is such that there's a commemoration by dedicating a day a month after Valentine's. What is the blank, or what exactly was figured out, or what was?
Yeah, so they were calculating the value of the decimal number after the decimal point, the unit place of the pi.
Brilliant answer, because It is the value of pi. Pi 3.14, 14th March gets 10 points for Srinath. Bring the next direct to Joshita. There have been 4 editors of the X. Margaret Farrer from the X's inception until 1969. Will Weng, former head of the Times Metropolitan Copy Desk until 1977. Eugene T. Maleska until his death in 1993. And the current editor, Will Shorts. In addition to editing the X, Shorts founded and runs the annual American Blank Tournament as well as the World Puzzle Championship, where he remains the captain of the US team. He has published numerous books of blank, Sudoku and other puzzles. Authors occasionally variety puzzles. Identify X, and I want the specific X that we are talking about because there are other versions of it as well.
Whose question is this? Yoshita, right? Because Srinath, yeah.
My question. New York Times.
That's your. Could you be a little more specific as in what in New York Times, because you're on the right track?
I'm not sure what in New York Times. That's all I know, New York Times.
I'll give you part points for New York Times. We'll go ahead and try to get a more specific answer. Anand.
This is the NY Times crossword.
Brilliant answer. It is the New York Times Sunday crossword. I'll be giving
I was thinking too much.
4 points for New York Times to Joshita and 6 points for the crossword to Anand. So the guy in the middle is Will Shorts,
That's
and
the only reason you know this.
this particular crossword that you see is again from How I Met Your Mother itself, season 6. Bringing the next direct to Sayeda. The earliest reference to an analog of blank appears in the a lesson of the widow's mite from both the Gospel of Mark and the Gospel of Luke. In the biblical episode, several wealthy temple patrons donate large sums of money, but an extremely poor widow places just 2 small coins into the offering. She finds greater favor with Jesus than do the wealthy patrons, seeing that the widow gave all her money to the temple in Jerusalem, while the wealthy patrons made a little investment, leaving much of their money for themselves. The expression which is used to preface a tentative statement of one's opinion by deprecating the opinion to follow as of a very small amount, the user of the phrase, showing politeness and humility, hopes to lessen the impact of a possibly contentious statement. What phrase are we talking about? What is that blank that we are talking about? So I want the phrase.
उधर भी ऐसा तिरुपति अच्छा है ये. Nice system. Everybody should have one.
गलत इंसान से रिलीजियस क्वेश्चन. So this is a phrase that we use in everyday language.
मतलब इतना भी everyday नहीं, but a lot of people do use it.
Hope to lessen the impact of possible. No. No offense.
Not no offense. Going to Srinath.
I'm not sure about the answer, but can I offer my 2 cents here?
Brilliant answer. It is 2 cents.
Answer and my joke.
Oh, nice.
2 cents gets Srinath 1 fun point and 10 points in the real world. Now, bringing the next direct to Joshita. On April 6, 1938, chemists at the Seymour-Jackson laboratory were startled in New Jersey as chemist Dr. Roy J. Plunkett was working on alternative refrigerant gases. Dr. Plunkett stored the gas he was experimenting with in small cylinders where they were then frozen and compressed. When they returned to the cylinders, they found that no gas emerged from the cylinder upon releasing the nozzle. As they investigated further through splitting open the cylinder, they came to find a waxy white solidified concoction, which came to be known as polytetrafluoroethylene (PTFE), which became an accidental discovery that is used in household items and even in automobiles. What is PTFE popularly or commonly known as?
I don't know this pass.
Okay, going to Anand.
I have a guess, but मेरे को पता है ऐसा नहीं बनता है.
Give your logic, na? You go to parties, you get paid. Who wouldn't know this?
That is true. I'm too cool for this shit. नहीं यार, इतना भी नहीं. ऐसे मेरे आंसर से नहीं आएंगे, कौन सी नहीं मिलेगी सारे. It's a waxy white solidified concoction.
Yeah.
Is this petroleum jelly?
Not petroleum jelly. Going to Saida.
Teflon.
Brilliant answer. It is Teflon.
Yeah, because I don't go to parties, nobody calls me.
Teflon. People who cook
Did you
on
major
their
in
own.
chemistry, Saida?
What?
Did you major in chemistry?
No, matlab,
She's
yeah,
a
matlab, I've
scientist.
studied science
Oh.
all my life. So.
She's a scientist. That's why she works at AIMS.
Explain
So
it to me.
she's
Explain
bound
it
to know this.
me.
Oh, please. It's no longer my subject.
So Teflon gets 10 points to Saida for Saida, and Srinath gets the next direct. Villa Vienna is a 1920s era Grade 3 heritage villa with modern Italian architecture and intricate neoclassical elements. It is often hailed as the perfect blend of vintage, modern, and stylish interiors. It was owned by Bai Khurshid Bhanu Sanjana Trust till 2001 before being resold and renamed. Today, it is not only a heritage site but also one of the biggest tourist attractions, garnering the maximum footfall in November. What was this villa renamed to?
This question is it, sorry?
This is for Srinath. Then it will come to you.
One second, just thinking. I'm trying to figure out the significance of November.
I think
Only one
money
good
money
thing happens in November, so nothing else matters. I'm obviously talking about Thanksgiving.
Is this the kind of called the V for Vendetta villa or something?
Not
Because of Guy Fawkes?
not the right answer. Going to Joshita.
I'm so happy it came to me. It's on 2nd November, and the hint is Aditya because he puts a Shah Rukh Khan question in every two quizzes, I think. It's Mannat.
Brilliant answer. Mannat is the right answer.
Srinath, I told you Mannat hai. Srinath, I told you Mannat hai. It was a joke, but still, I told you Mannat hai.
So Joshita gets 10 points for Mannat, and the next direct goes to Anand. In the mid 1950s, Kentucky Fried Chicken founder Colonel Sanders came to Fort Wayne to find restaurateurs with established businesses in order to try to sell KFC franchises to them. At first, Thomas, who was the head cook at a restaurant, and the Klaus family declined Sanders' offer, but Sanders persisted, and the Klaus family franchised their restaurant with KFC and later also owned many other KFC franchises in the Midwest region. Dave Thomas, the guy Thomas that we talked about, made KFC a huge success by 1968, after which he used the experience that he gathered through KFC to start his own fast food chain, X, in 1969. X was named after his daughter Melinda. Identify X.
Actually, fun fact, it's very lesser known, but his daughter's last name was Mahesh, so it was Melinda Mahesh Lunch Home. If random guess, this is Wendy's.
Brilliant answer. It is Wendy's. Wendy's brings 10 points for Anand. Brilliant answer. And with this, we come to the last question of today's round. The blank is a waterway between Tamil Nadu state of India and the Jaffna district of northern province of the island nation of Sri Lanka. It connects the Bay of Bengal in the northeast with Blank Bay in the southwest. It is named after a governor of Madras from 1755 to 1763 during the Company Raj period. Historically, it rests the Ram Setu or Adams Bridge over it. What is the blank?
Whose direct is this? Mine.
Yes.
Both the blanks are the same.
There's a little variation in the second blank from the first. I am looking for the answer. The answer will be the first blank that I'm talking about.
Is it the Pal Street?
Brilliant answer. It is the Park Strait. Park Strait gets 10 points.
Oh, I've pronounced it Pal.
It's fine. Park Strait gets 10 points for Saida, bringing us to the end of today's quiz. Just one moment before I can calculate. So we don't need a tiebreaker because we have two semi-finalists. So Srinath with 30 points lands at the fourth position. Anand has 31. Joshita has 54, and today's winner with 65 points is Saida, which means Saida and Joshita both qualify into the semis. And on the fun points, now there is a tie between Apurva and Anand with 7 points each. So this brings us to an end to...
There's a tie between me and Apurva.
Yeah, for the fun points.
Can I think of a joke right now? Just give me a second. तुम करो अपना, मैं सोचता हूँ.
Can I make a cheap claim to fun points even though I won't get anything by my t-shirt? Like it has Rick on it.
But what? I mean, I couldn't read it also.
It says, I'm sorry, your opinion means very little to me.
Yeah. But then you won through your answers and a little bit through my opinion, because these questions...
Yeah, but
are
I just wanted to show off my t-shirt.
Great. So with this, we come to an end to today's quiz. We have Srinath at 30, Anand at 31, Joshita at 54, and Saida at 65. So we'll be meeting Joshita and Saida in the next semi-final. Thank you so much, Anand and Srinath, for playing, and everyone for watching. Thank you so much, and bye bye.